This is a review of the Saka68, and here's how I built it. The Saka68 is meant to be a beginner's board, but from the get-go, the box it came in already looks great, with a nice gold emboss of the Japanese kanji word Saka. I bought two kits, an e-white one and a black one, but I figured I'd build the white one here in this channel and save the other for an open commission. By the way, hit me out on Discord or Instagram to find out what boards I have for commission. Or if you simply want to purchase a board you see on this channel, check out my Carousel store page linked in the video description. Back to my review. In this e-white keyboard kit, you will find a case with an aluminium gold plate and a brass badge already installed, a PCB as well as some tools, and the CMM Studio sticker. Despite being a beginner's board, there is, however, no hard copy build instructions included, but there is a build guide posted on the Discord channel. At this price point, of course the PCB does not have a daughter board, so the USB-C connector is fused to the main board. I would say the branding is also not too obnoxious, not plastered everywhere, and the design of the case is pretty minimal. For this build, I'll be using a set of lubed, trusty Durock V2 stabilizers. Now I did record how I lubed them, but I'm not sure if it's helpful since there are so many guides already on how to tune stabilizers. Leave a comment to let me know if I should post my version, possibly as a YouTube shorts or something. And of course, before doing anything on the PCB, be sure to test the sockets and see if everything is working. After you're done tuning the stabilizers, we can start disassembling the keyboard. Remember also to snap off the protruding tabs at the sides, otherwise the PCB won't fit in the case. For my switch of choice, I went with the Crinks, a Frankenstein switch, as one of you requested I do.
I'm a slave to
my subscribers.
This switch is basically the Gateron Black Inks, but with a Novel Keys cream stamp in it. I however did not lube them because I have no time.
I will no longer be your slave!
Finally, for my keycaps, I went with the GMK Minimal for a clean and pure white look. It's basically a plain old black and white double shot ABS keycap set. Now before I show you the sound test, let me share my thoughts about this board. All in all, I think the Saka is an okay board. Marketed as a beginner's board, building it is fairly easy and straightforward. The group buy for this board ran about a year ago, and since then, a number of cheap boards have come and gone, like the Keychron Q1 and more recently, the Zoom 65, QK65 to name a few. At this price, I would have liked to see some foams being included in the kit. This is because the acoustics of the board isn't super duper awesome by any means, although don't get me wrong, it is a solid sounding board still. It's not hollow like the Mark 65, and neither is it pingy like the Q1 out of the box. It just doesn't have its own unique sound. So if I were to compare it to a board, it feels like an incomplete version of the Sun 68, which I built in my last video. Granted, the Sun 68 is in a different price category and the finish of the board is very different, but these two are really similar in their layout and aesthetics, so I encourage you to check out my build on the Sun 68 to hear for yourself how nice it was. Anyways, I'm done. Here's the tapping sounds of this board which you have been waiting for. Remember to subscribe for more reviews and videos. Bye!